When you search for smart home cooling systems, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Google Nest Thermostat, priced at $99.99. What caught my attention is its sleek design and energy-saving capabilities. If you want a smart solution that helps you save on energy bills, this is worth a serious look. This thermostat is ENERGY STAR certified, meaning it's designed to help you save energy without compromising comfort. It turns itself down when you leave, which is perfect for those days you forget to adjust the temperature before heading out. You can control it remotely through your smartphone, so whether you're at work or on vacation, you can ensure your home stays comfortable. With over 9,000 units bought in the past month, it's clear people are loving this. Now, some users have pointed out that it might not work with every heating and cooling system, and you may need a C-wire for some setups. Here's the thing though, for most modern homes, it's easy to install, and if you're someone who values smart tech, this thermostat will make your life so much easier. This is perfect for you if you want a smart thermostat that you can control from anywhere. Skip this one if you're using a very old HVAC system that may not be compatible. For $99.99, it's a solid investment for energy savings and convenience. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a more customizable experience.
Product number 2, ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential. Let's talk about the ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential. While the price isn't listed, it has a great reputation, with over 6,000 units sold recently. If you're looking for a smart thermostat that can save you a significant amount on energy bills, this is definitely worth a serious look. This thermostat can save you up to 23% on heating and cooling costs by adapting to your schedule, which means it'll save energy when you're not home. Plus, it's compatible with 85% of heating and cooling systems, making it a versatile choice. You can control it via a color touchscreen or from your phone, giving you flexibility. It's also easy to install, and if you don't have a C-wire, you can get the power extender kit for a neat setup. However, some users have mentioned that they experienced connectivity issues at times. But honestly, if you're tech savvy or don't mind troubleshooting occasionally, the energy savings and convenience make it totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a hands-on approach to managing your home's temperature. Skip this one if you prefer a thermostat that requires zero tech setup. Overall, it's a great value for what you get, especially if saving on energy costs is a priority. Now, if the lack of built-in sensors bothered you, the next one might have just what you need.
Product number 3, ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. The ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, which also comes with a smart sensor and an air quality monitor. Though specific pricing isn't listed, it's considered a premium option, and it's worth every penny if you're serious about home comfort. This model can save you up to 26% annually on heating and cooling costs, and its included smart sensor ensures that temperature adjustments are made based on the most occupied spaces in your home. It even monitors air quality, sending alerts and offering tips when the air quality dips. Pretty cool, right? Plus, it connects seamlessly with other smart home devices, so you can control everything with your voice. That said, some users felt the initial setup was a bit complicated. I'll be real with you, if you're not into tech or have a complex HVAC system, the setup might take a little patience, but for those who stick it out, the benefits are fantastic. This is perfect for you if you want comprehensive control over your home's climate and air quality. Skip this one if you're looking for a simpler, more straightforward option. Given its features, it's a worthwhile investment for enhancing home comfort and efficiency. All right, that was an impressive option. But if you're looking for something budget-friendly with solid features, the next one will definitely catch your eye.
Product number 4, Sensi Smart Thermostat. Let's take a look at the Sensi Smart Thermostat, which retails for around $88. What grabbed my attention is its focus on data privacy and easy installation. If you want a straightforward smart thermostat without the frills, this is worth considering. The Sensi thermostat is designed to help you save about 23.
Product number 5, Honeywell Home Programmable Thermostat. Let's check out the Honeywell Home Programmable Thermostat, priced around $36.16. This is a basic model that caught my eye because of its affordability and straightforward functionality. If you want a reliable thermostat without breaking the bank, this is a solid option. This thermostat allows for 5-2-day scheduling, which means you can easily program it for your unique schedule. It has a large display and comes with alerts for air filter changes, ensuring your home's air quality remains good. While it's not as technologically advanced as the previous models, it still does what it's supposed to do, and it's compatible with various heating and cooling systems. Some users have mentioned that it lacks smart features like remote control, but honestly, if you're looking for something simple and effective, this thermostat won't disappoint you. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use thermostat at a budget-friendly price. Skip this one if you need advanced features like remote access. For the price, it's a steal for managing your home's temperature effectively. So there you have it. Each of these thermostats brings something unique to the table, whether it's cost, features, or ease of use.
We've covered the Google Nest thermostat for smart features, the ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential for energy savings, the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium for advanced air quality monitoring, the Sensi Smart Thermostat for privacy and ease, and the Honeywell Home Programmable Thermostat for affordability. Each has its pros and cons, so think about what's most important for your home before making a choice.